Hello YouTube, this is Cars and Guns, and now I'm going to show you how to remove background noise from a voice recording. I'm using a free software for the recordings. It is the Nearwave Editor. You can download it and install it for free. And now, I'm not going to overview the software. The tutorial is about the noise removing, so let's make a quick recording to clean the background noise from it. This is a test recording. 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 And now I'm going to show you how to clean the second half of the recording so you can hear the difference. You can highlight the area now or after the noise analysis. Then go to Enhancement, Video Analysis. It will give you a window that the analysis was completed. Press OK. So go back to Enhancement, Noise Reduction. In this window, simply press OK. And the noise is cleared from the background. This is a test recording. This is a test recording. And now, as you can hear, the second half of the recording has no background noise. So this was it, boys and girls. I hope you got what you came for. If you do, hit thumbs up. Thank you for your time. See you next time. Bye bye.